In this video, I want to show you how to fix in case you're having mic problems with your iPhone 17. Maybe the person that is speaking with you over the phone is not hearing you, or any other issues with your mic. So there's many different tricks and I'll show you a few of them. The easiest thing you can do is a force restart. This will not delete anything. It will simply shut down your phone and power it back on again. To do it, okay, simply press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Do not release it until you see the Apple logo appearing. Okay, even if you see this on your screen, don't touch anything, keep it pressed. And once you see the Apple logo, let's wait a few more seconds. Here we go, release the power button. The phone will take around a minute to power on and then you'll be able to use it. And fortunately, the mic will start working as it should. Now, if you're still having issues and this didn't fix it, what you can do is to actually clean the mic grill down below. So over time, there's dust, there's lint, there's many debris that get stuck in these small circles, okay, on the bottom of your screen. And there's many ways on how to clean it. You can take a toothpick if you have one. You can take some compressed air and blow in these grills over here, or you can take one of these things. I don't know how to call it. I use it to clean my iPhone all the time because there's a lot of dust. So this is a small brush and I'll simply go with the brush, with the brush bristle right over here and try to remove as much dirt and gunk that got accumulated over time. Another thing that you can check is to make sure that there's no Bluetooth device that is connected to your phone that is using the mic. So how do you do this? Well, simply find the settings icon of your iPhone, keep press on it, select Bluetooth, and from here you're going to see all the Bluetooth devices that are connected. I suggest you turn off Bluetooth, turn off, and try to make a call or start using the mic and see if it's working properly. If it's working, well, it simply meant that the mic of the other device was active and not the mic of your phone. You can turn on Bluetooth after that and disconnect the device that was using it. Another thing that you can check is if the app you're trying to use the mic with has the permission to use the mic. And we need to find right over here, privacy and security. Tap on this, go down, and select microphone. Over here, you're going to see all the apps that are using your mic, that have the permission to use your app. Right now, I don't have any, but in your case, there's a good chance you're going to see maybe WhatsApp, maybe other apps. And over here, you'll be able to give permission to the app to use the mic or remove the permission if you don't want that app to be able to access it. And finally, another thing that I can suggest, because maybe the mic of your iPhone is actually broken and needs to be replaced. How do you know that your mic is broken? Well, simply by connecting another mic to your phone. So what I suggest is that you take some AirPods or any earbuds that have mics with them, integrated in them. Okay, wear them, connect them, wear them, make a phone call. And if the mic is working while you do that, the mics of the AirPods, it maybe means that there's a good chance that the mic of your iPhone has been damaged, since these mics are working and there's no other issue. So then you'll need to go through the Apple warranty service, go to an Apple store if it's still under warranty, or get it fixed somewhere else. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.